We started out trying to figure out how we'd solve this issue of making sure that you can get a trustworthy and reliable taxi service anywhere you'd go. I didn't want to venture into this idea with being relying on the taxi companies actually to do this integration work with us. It was built around the concept of we could do all of the integration work. They didn't have to lift a finger. Maybe their ops manager would do 3 to 5 dry runs with us, driving around the city where he was based, testing the product. Early on, one of my good friends made me aware of Kapow. That's how I got onto Kapow and how we started using that as a very, very key element in our booking engine. I wanted to make sure that we could streamline, make it a standard procedure from day one, basically, to build a crawler robot, store it, and execute it from the code. When you ask it to, it will go on a web page, it will read the web page, structure the content, understand it, and report it back. The way we use it is when you imagine you have an app to order a taxi, you press the book button. We'll take your user settings, last name, phone number, what have we, a GPS location, we have the address of that booking, and we would go to a taxi company and automatically place that booking into their IT systems. Building those interfaces between two IT platforms is a 3-month process. We've gone to being able to develop a robot, test it, and deploy it in as little as 2 days. We launched in Denmark in October 2011, and we went live in, I think, 15 Danish cities. Today we're live in about 2,500 cities, and we are beta testing in additional 2,500 cities on a global scale. So 50 countries, 5,000 cities, access to more than 300,000 taxis worldwide. I came from third-party logistics industry, and I was dedicated to implementing new customers. If I hadn't known that I could automate procedures like this with Kapow, I would have used it all the time. You want to be able to do all of this with as few resources as possible. And Kapow has helped us do this, and one developer will be able to do the work of 5 to 10 developers easily.